Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from Portsmouth, England. I came over here 11 days ago using Rosa Medical. I'm delighted with what's happened. I came over here, I was never confident. My smile was never with teeth. I had zero confidence with taking pictures, and so you will see very few selfies of me. Now I'm going to be so happy, confident. I came out with a friend. Dave had another medical procedure and we've been treated really well. The price is just incredible compared to what you'd pay in the UK. Honestly, I can't be more delighted. So happy. I can't recommend this place enough. It was so good. The people look after you really well. It's nice to look around. Honestly, you won't regret it.